Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see for the title, this is a big announcement, so I hope that everyone that is subscribed to me has a chance to watch this video because I want to let you guys know what is going on. So you guys remember the unboxing that I did on these cuttings? It was from CSG Succulents. Well, we are partnering up for a giveaway. So he has his own business. I told you guys that already that, and it is on csgsucculents.com. So he has a channel that he started also, and I wanted to partner up with him to help him build up his channel because I feel that he has really good information that he can share with us, and also just to watch his videos and see his beautiful plants. I am all for that. So we partner up together and we are going to be doing a giveaway very soon. So I just wanted to let you guys know, give you a heads up so you guys can go to his channel and watch out for that video. So it's going to be really good. I am not going to say what it is as of yet. I do know that I told him in order to partner up, because he has the plants, I told him that I can pay the shipping, whatever it is, to whoever it's going, and however it weighs, I'll cover the shipping. So that's what we're gonna do. So in order to participate, you guys have to be subscribed to my channel and his channel. So I'm coming up to 3,000 subscribers, and he's at 400, so I feel like he'll get to 1,000 pretty quickly. So that's when we'll be doing the giveaway. Once I reach 3,000 and he reaches 1,000, we will be doing the giveaway. I don't know yet how we're gonna do it with the video, if it's gonna be on my channel or his channel, but yeah guys, we will discuss that when we get to the other video. So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up on this so you guys don't miss out, because he does have some really beautiful plants. So thank you so much for watching. Go support him, let him know that I sent you over there, and that's it guys. Thank you so much for supporting me and supporting my fellow YouTubers. I love you guys so much. I love your comments. You guys are so supporting, and God bless guys. Thank you so much. Bye guys.